What if that ordinary-looking rock in your backyard wasn't from Earth? What if, buried beneath your feet, sat a chunk of the cosmos, older than Earth itself, forged in the heart of an exploding star, and potentially worth thousands, even millions? Before you brush it off as just another stone, let me tell you something astonishing. Every single day, around 100 tons of space debris falls to Earth. Most of it burns up in the atmosphere, but some survive. And when they do, they become meteorites, mysterious messengers from the far reaches of the universe. But what exactly is a meteorite? Let's break it down. A meteorite is a solid piece of debris from an object like an asteroid, comet, or sometimes even a planet that survives its fiery journey through our atmosphere and lands on Earth. It begins as a meteoroid, a small rocky or metallic body traveling through space. When it enters our atmosphere and starts burning due to friction, it creates a streak of light we call a meteor, or a shooting star. But when that blazing fireball doesn't burn up completely and actually lands, that's when we call it a meteorite. Now here's the wild part. These rocks aren't just random space junk. Some are billions of years old. Some contain elements that don't exist naturally on Earth. And some, they hide gemstones forged in the vacuum of space. Let's talk about types of meteorites, because not all space rocks are created equal. There are three main types, and knowing the difference can literally help you spot one in the wild. First up, stony meteorites. These are the most common. They make up about 94% of all meteorites found. They look, well, like rocks. But don't be fooled. Most have a thin, dark outer layer called a fusion crust, created by the intense heat of entering Earth's atmosphere. Inside, they may show chondrules, tiny rounded mineral grains that formed in the early solar system over 4.5 billion years ago. Chondrites, a subgroup, are the oldest known materials in the solar system. Some even contain pre-solar grains, literally dust from before our sun was born. Next, iron meteorites. These are what many people imagine when they think of a space rock: heavy, metallic, magnetic, and incredibly rare. Iron meteorites make up only about 5% of total finds, but they're striking, often with a silvery gray interior and unique Widmanstätten patterns, geometric structures only formed under extreme cooling conditions over millions of years in space. These patterns are impossible to replicate on Earth. If you ever see one, you're looking at the fingerprint of a cosmic giant. And finally, stony iron meteorites, the rarest of all, a perfect blend of metal and silicate minerals. But here's what makes them jaw-dropping. Some contain olivine crystals, often called peridot, yes, the gemstone, suspended in a metallic matrix. These are called pallasites, and they're considered some of the most beautiful meteorites ever discovered. Imagine a gemstone inside a space rock that traveled across light years to end up in your hand. Now, how can you tell if a rock you found is a meteorite? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but these are the key traits experts look for. 1. Heft and weight. Meteorites are almost always heavier than regular Earth rocks of the same size. That's because of their high metal content, especially iron. 2. Magnetic attraction. Nearly all meteorites, even stony ones, contain iron and nickel, making them magnetic. If a magnet sticks to your rock, that's a strong sign. 3. Fusion crust. Look for a thin, dark, often shiny or matte outer layer. It forms as the rock's surface melts during atmospheric entry. 4. No obvious holes or bubbles. Meteorites don't have the bubbly textures that volcanic rocks do. If it looks porous like pumice, it's likely not a meteorite. 5. Unique interior. If you slice it open carefully, the inside of a meteorite can reveal incredible textures. Iron meteorites show Widmanstätten patterns, stony ones show chondrules or specks of shiny metal. 6. The streak test. Scratch the rock on a ceramic tile. If it leaves a streak, especially red or brown, it's probably not a meteorite. Meteorites rarely leave streaks. 7. Nickel test. Most meteorites contain nickel, a metal rarely found in Earth rocks. Specialized tests can detect its presence and help confirm authenticity. But let's step back for a moment. Why should you even care? Because finding a meteorite isn't just a scientific marvel. It's potentially life-changing. Some meteorites have sold for hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. The Murchison meteorite, found in Australia, was packed with organic compounds never before seen on Earth. The Fukang palisite, with its gemstone crystals glowing like stained glass, was valued at over $2 million. And a Martian meteorite, yes, from Mars, fetched nearly $800,000. That little rock in your garden could be a time capsule from another world. So, what does a meteorite look like? Here's what to watch for. Color, often black, rusty brown, or gray. Texture, smooth fusion crust outside, grainy or metallic inside. Weight, unusually heavy for its size. Magnetism, strong pull with a magnet. Shape, rounded edges, no sharp corners, shaped by fiery descent. Still not sure? The best step is to contact a local university, museum, or certified meteorite expert. A professional analysis can confirm if your find is terrestrial or extraterrestrial. Here's something even more exciting. You don't have to be a scientist to find one. Meteorites have been discovered by farmers, hikers, children, even dogs. And they've been found everywhere. In deserts, on mountains, frozen lakes, city streets, even someone's roof. But one of the best places to search? Your own backyard. After a rainstorm, when the soil is damp and loose, unusual rocks tend to stand out more clearly. Use a strong magnet and a metal detector. Search the stream beds, dry river valleys, and freshly plowed land. Every meteorite is unique. Some may come from the asteroid belt, others from the moon, and a few, incredibly, from Mars. Holding one is like holding a piece of history, older than Earth, touched by no one, until you. So the next time you're out walking and see something odd, heavy, or strangely magnetic, ask yourself, what if this rock didn't fall from a mountain, but from the stars? Because that's the magic of meteorites. They remind us that the universe is closer than we think. And sometimes all it takes is one curious glance to discover a treasure that's truly out of this world.